I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pork wontons. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh ground pork, which is the heart of our filling. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and 2 cloves of minced garlic for that aromatic kick. We'll also use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to season our mixture perfectly. Finally, have 1 package of wonton wrappers, typically 50 to 60 pieces, ready to go. Now let's create our flavorful wonton filling. In a large bowl, combine your 1 pound of ground pork with the grated ginger, minced garlic, soy sauce, and sesame oil. For an extra layer of freshness and a subtle oniony bite, add about 1/4 cup of finely chopped green onions. Mix all these ingredients together thoroughly. You want to ensure everything is well combined and uniform, so every bite of your wonton is packed with delicious flavor. Next, we'll master the art of wrapping our wontons. Take 1 wonton wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of your delicious pork filling right in the center. Lightly moisten the edges of the wrapper with a little water. This acts as our glue. Fold the wrapper diagonally to form a triangle, pressing firmly to seal the edges and remove any air. Then, bring the 2 bottom corners of the triangle together, overlapping them slightly, and seal them with another dab of water to create that classic wonton shape. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your homemade pork wontons. You have a couple of delicious options. You can boil them in simmering water for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they float to the surface, indicating they are cooked through. Alternatively, pan-fry them until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy on the outside. Serve your hot wontons immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a spicy chili oil, and garnish with fresh cilantro for a perfect meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.